Hi, welcome to Not So Creative. Today I'll be showing you how to do the long tail cast on. It's a great technique for beginners as it creates a firm and flexible base, perfect for projects like hats or scarves. Grab your yarn and needles and let's get started. For this method, you'll need to calculate a bit of extra yarn, as we'll be working with a long tail, as the name says, to form the stitches. One way to ensure you have enough yarn is to wrap the yarn around the needle the number of times equal to the stitches you need. For example, if you want to cast on 20 stitches, wrap the yarn 20 times around the needle. In the case you needed, let's say, 40 stitches, just double the yarn length that you already calculated and that should be enough. Though, if you still don't feel sure, you can just add a little bit more. Now, place the yarn ball on your left and the long tail on your right. I'll be showing you two different ways to start the cast on. For the first stitch, you can make a slip knot. Wrap your yarn around your index and middle finger twice, creating an X shape, and with your needle, pick the first loop and pass it onto the second. Then, pull the yarn to snug it. First stitch done. This is a perfect way to start, but there is another method that I actually prefer. Let me show you. Place the yarn over your thumb and index finger, while the rest of your fingers hold both tails of your yarn. Put the middle over the yarn and twist it. This will be your first stitch, just like the slip knot, but without the bump. Now, insert your needle through the two threads on your thumb, grab the yarn on your index finger and pull it through. Release the yarn on your thumb and snug it up. Not too tight, not too loose, remember. Now, let's do it again. A little trick that always helps me remember what I have to do is repeating under, over, through. Under, over, through. Now that you've completed the long tail cast on, you're ready to start knitting. For a smooth start, I recommend purling the next row. This will create a nice, flat foundation that's perfect for beginning a stockinette stitch or any other pattern. If you found this video helpful, remember to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Happy knitting, and I'll see you in the next video.